Okay, let's explore the control panel, and you can access this as a button on page for a given class. So let's click this. I'm going to look at, first of all, manage the class menu in class options. And this allows me to look at the folders or options that appear on the sidebar. So for instance, if I look back at the sidebar, I can see email right here, and I might decide, well, I don't want to have an option to click for email here, so I can go into control panels, click on manage class menu, and decide to remove the email option. And when I decide to remove this, I'll just say OK, and I'll say OK again, and if I go back using the breadcrumb trail, I'll notice that the email option is no longer here. So let's say I wanted to reinstate the email option. Go to Control Panel again, click on Manage Class Menu, and this time I'm going to add something. If I want to add a folder, I could choose to add a content area. It might be for notes on a particular chapter. I can add a tool link, which I'm going to do here, which is a link to one of Blackboard's tools. So I'm going to click Tool Link. That finally worked. And I'm going to choose Email. And I'm clearly going to call that email. So this is nice because it'll give me a one-click access to email on the class page. So let's just press Submit. Click OK. And if we go back using the breadcrumb trail, I'll see I now have an email option, which I can go straight to all users and send an email.